Good morning, YouTube family. How are you? I hope you are okay from wherever you're tuning in this morning. Let's see what's happening here on the farm this morning, and let me take you through what we are doing today. Our gate is broken, so we are repairing it, and Mr. Isaac is doing some kind of replacement of some spare part on the, actually it's the rollers. The rollers are gone on this sliding gate. Ati. Yeah, so Mr. Isaac is just repairing, replacing a roller. Landeneti Mulishani YouTube family uko.
Hello Mulishani YouTube family.
So here it has been plowed with a tractor, and they haven't finished yet, but they are coming, they are on the way. And so here we have Mr. Mishek. Mishek? Yeah, so this is Mishek, and he's the bricklayer. Him and his father and his nephew, they are the ones building the wall fence around the whole farm. Atibana Nishinaimu.
Yes.
This is obvious Simkanzi. And yeah, so actually Mulefa Kulanda, you want to say something? Mulanda Mulefa Kulanda. Au mulande fe mukula ma offense limbi kuli bambya banga fo okuti mwa babombe.
Okay. But you kula ma offense nga kuya bali fo kuba kulila. Kontu batweba.
Yeah, bachita contact.
To relate.
Aha.
Our boss yaba kontu mwabamona akotrebo balabena.
Yeah, so Mishek is just saying here, if you're watching this video live and if you want a wall fence to be built or a house, they are specialists. And this is one of the structures they have built. This wall fence here, as you can see, it's a large, huge wall fence. It goes all the way around. And currently what they are doing, they are building a wall fence for the whole farm, the whole 10 acres. So if you're looking for somebody to build you a wall fence or a house, please get in touch with my on my YouTube channel, and I'll put you in touch with Mishek and his father, Mr. Simukanzi. That's Mr. Simukanzi over there. Munishani wa Simukanzi? Mwashukeni? Yeah, he's the main man. He's the one who builds, and they work under him. So that's Mr. Simukanzi, the main man. So I hired a tractor to plow for us because we don't currently own a tractor. Maybe in future we will own a couple of tractors, but for now we have just hired the tractor, and they came yesterday actually. So that's where the house is, and this is the first field. So I'm taking you to the second field. They haven't finished plowing this one, they'll do it, they'll complete it. But I'm taking you to the other field down at the bottom. But before we go down there, I want to show you some of the beehives that we have. I don't want to go nearby, otherwise I'll end up like I've been in a fight with Mike Tyson. These are African bees, you don't mess about with them. So we are actually planning to have more beehives. If you can see clearly, there are some bees going in and out over there. If you can look clearly, I don't want to go nearby, otherwise I'll be in trouble. There's some more beehives there on the tree. So this is the second field. The tractor is already here, and they've started already plowing. There goes the tractor. There goes the tractor, and he's going to plow this whole field all the way up to the bottom of there.
Huh?
Yeah, it's slanted.
So if I plow like this,
Uh-huh.
we have come.
Erosion.
Erosion.
Okay.
So we'll be too slow just plow it like this.
It's okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, go ahead.
How is the family?
We're all good, thank you very much.
So let me just do it. We are together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still here, yes. Okay. So this is our hired tractor, Mr. Mwelwa. If you are looking for a tractor in Kapiri to hire, this is the one. You can get in touch and I will put you in touch with Mr. Mwelwa. It's looking good actually. Look at that. Wow. So this whole field, the one I showed you at the top there and this one, I'm planting maize. I just want to see how it's going to come out. Oh, nice one. That's Mr. Banda, the helper to Mr. Mwelwa.